Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'll show you how to install the iOS 27 Developer Beta for free using Apple's official method. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap General, then select Software Update. Wait for the page to load completely. If you already see the Beta Updates option, tap on it and choose iOS 27 Developer Beta. Once you've selected it, go back to the previous screen and the iOS 27 Developer Beta Update should appear, ready to install. If you don't see the Beta Updates option, don't worry. Here's how you can enable it. Open Safari and go to developer.apple.com. Once the website loads, tap Sign in the top right corner. Make sure you sign in using the same Apple ID that's currently logged into your iPhone. Using a different Apple ID may prevent the beta update from showing up. Enter your Apple ID email address and password. Then complete any two-factor authentication steps if prompted. You may also see a message asking if you trust the browser or device. Simply confirm and continue. After signing in, you'll likely be presented with the Apple Developer Agreement. Scroll through the page, accept the terms, and continue. If Apple asks whether you'd like to personalize your developer experience, you can simply select Not Interested if you prefer. Once you reach the Apple Developer Account page, you're done. There's no need to purchase or enroll in the paid Apple Developer Program. Now, close Safari and restart your iPhone. To do this, press and hold the Side button and either Volume button until the Power Off slider appears. Turn off your iPhone, wait about 10 seconds, then press and hold the Side button again until the Apple logo appears. After your iPhone restarts, unlock it and go back to Settings is greater than General is greater than Software Update. The Beta Updates section should now be available. Tap it and make sure iOS 27 Developer Beta is selected. Return to the Software Update screen, and you should now see the iOS 27 Developer Beta ready to download and install. Before updating, it's highly recommended that you create a backup of your iPhone using iCloud or a computer. Having a recent backup helps protect your data and gives you the option to restore your device if needed. When you're ready, tap Update Now. Enter your passcode and follow the on-screen instructions to begin the installation. And that's it! You're all set to explore the latest features and improvements in iOS 27. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.